Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm moving along with my Pat McGrath series. I'm going to do 4 different looks using all the shades in this palette. The palette for this video is going to be Mothership III Subversive. So this is what the palette looks like inside. When I do these videos, I do 1 look per eye. And today, since it's an even number of looks, I'm going to have like 2 separate eye looks. So with all of that said, if you're interested in these 4 separate eye looks using every single shade in this palette, I hope you decide to stay tuned. We're going to get straight into some tutorials. There you have it, guys. Those are my 4 looks using the Mothership III Subversive palette from Pat McGrath. That's how I feel with her shades. The way they blend, especially into each other, is just phenomenal. Like, these looks here look like I took forever to get them blended, but I did them in minutes. But thank you guys so much for joining me. A full list of products along with the eye looks will be listed down below. You can also check me out on Instagram. There I post a photo of all my makeup looks along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.